What's the issue?
Why were you getting behind me like that?
Why were you getting behind?
That's not the point.
I understand your point. Just
I don't know why you're trying to give me a hard time.
Just
Setting a great example for your kids. It's a warning, doesn't affect your record, okay?
A driver was simply trying to let a police officer pass when she instead got behind him and initiated a traffic stop. Under Texas Transportation Code, Section 543.001, an officer may only stop a vehicle if they witness a traffic violation or have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. The officer, however, did not observe a violation before deciding to pull the driver over. Instead, she manufactured a reason, claiming she needed to check his registration sticker. The driver rightfully questioned why she was slowing down behind him instead of immediately pulling him over, exposing the unnecessary escalation.
Can you lower the back window? You don't have your registration sticker.
huh?
You don't have your registration sticker. Takes out, but you can have your driver's license?
Sure, you can.
Is there a reason you were getting behind me like that?
Like what?
I was trying to let you pass. And you were slowing down and getting behind me because you knew I was moving over
Right.
to get behind you.
Okay, so what's the issue?
Why were you getting behind me like that?
Why were you getting behind me
I
like
just
that?
told you because I was trying to pull you over.
You turned your emergency light if you want to pull me over.
I had to check your registration sticker.
Okay, you pull
which
me
is
over.
why I got
You
in
want to
front of
pull me
you
over?
first.
You pull
Which
me
is
over.
why I got in front of you first. Do you have your insurance?
Yeah. If you want to pull me over, just pull me over. That's it.
Is your driver's license up to date? Your address is still good? Sir,
You know what? I don't have the insurance. You want to run the license plate? I don't have the insurance card on me. So you want to...
do you have a picture of it?
No, I don't. Just run the license plate. I mean,
You're
I don't-
required to show your insurance.
Right, but you can run the license plate as
You're
well. I mean, you
required
have to be reasonable. You don't want to be reasonable, just issue a citation and that's it.
When the officer asked for insurance, the driver acknowledged not having a physical copy, but stated she could verify it by running his plates. Texas Transportation Code Section 601.053 allows proof of financial responsibility to be provided electronically or verified through law enforcement databases. Instead of accepting this, the officer acted unreasonably, implying that the driver was being difficult when he was simply exercising his rights. Despite the driver remaining calm and cooperative, the officer accused him of having an attitude, showing her bias against citizens who know the law.
You're required to show your insurance.
Right, but you can run the license plate as
You're
well. I mean, you
required
have to be reasonable. You don't want to be reasonable, just issue a citation and that's it.
Is there a reason you don't have the registration sticker?
No, I don't. I have a reason.
It's required to be on there.
Right, okay.
When you got your license plate, they didn't give you the sticker?
Probably, but I don't know where we left it. Just run the tag, it should be up to date.
That's not the point.
I understand your point. Just
I don't know why you're trying to give me a hard time.
Just if you wanna cite me, and that's it.
You want a citation? I'll give you a citation.
It's your call.
You want a citation?
It's your call.
Okay, well then don't be giving me attitude for no reason.
I can give you.
I haven't given you attitude. I'm trying to talk to you good.
All right.
There's no reason for you to
All right.
get like this. I just asked for your registration
All right.
sticker.
I don't know where it is.
All right. Hello? Yeah, I'm just writing up the warning. He was just giving attitude and recording. He didn't even want to lower the window all the way down. I didn't make a scene just because he has kids in the back, but... At where? Oh, the show. That one. Setting a great example for your kids. It's a warning, doesn't affect your record, okay?
After realizing she had no real grounds to escalate the situation, the officer decided to issue a warning, but still couldn't resist making unnecessary comments. Under Texas Transportation Code, Section 5, 43.003, a driver should be released as soon as they sign a citation or receive a warning, yet she took extra time to vent her frustration, mocking the driver for setting a great example for his kids. Her comments showed clear retaliation, proving that the stop was never about safety or law enforcement. It was about punishing someone who didn't bow to her authority. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.